Hi, I'm Cory Bannister and welcome to this edition of LTF Product Showcase. Today I'd like to share some information with you about commercial self-managed super fund lending, which I hope will turn your attention to what could be a very lucrative opportunity for you and your business. The first point I'd like to make is that while self-managed super fund investment in residential property has dominated media coverage recently, even being somewhat unfairly blamed for fueling the record level of investment lending in Australia, the reality is residential property represents a very small percentage of self-managed super fund portfolios, less than 7%, which equates to about $20 billion. Whereas commercial property held in self-managed super funds holds a much larger share at just over 22%, or almost $65 billion, and growing at twice the rate as residential property investment via self-managed super funds. So you can see why we expect commercial lending through self-managed super funds as being where the largest opportunity lies for brokers. One of the major drivers for commercial property investment in self-managed super funds is small business owners purchasing the property from which they operate their business. What makes this so popular is that business owners can use cash flows from their business to pay their mortgage, as opposed to repaying someone else's mortgage in the form of rent. There are also tax benefits associated with holding property in a self-managed super fund structure. So this strategy often makes good financial sense as borrowers are making a reliable investment in commercial property that they're actually already looking after. Another positive feature of investing in commercial property via a self-managed super fund are the yields. Commercial property will usually generate a higher yield than residential property, and it can also be a very good opportunity for investors to diversify their property investment portfolio away from purely residential assets. Now, importantly, there's plenty of good news for mortgage brokers in all of this. First, small business owners will generally represent a large portion of a broker's natural client base. Therefore, opportunities already exist within your database, allowing you to expand into this product immediately and growing your business as a result. Second, for those brokers yet to get involved in commercial transactions, commercial self-managed super funds can be a straightforward entry point into commercial lending. And lastly, it's a quality value-add suggestion that you can give your clients, strengthening your relationship and limiting others from capturing your client's business. It is possible that your clients could be talking to another mortgage broker about this very product right now. We encourage all brokers who have or want to develop an exposure to small business borrowers to consider introducing commercial SMSF loans into their product suite. Not only will it enhance your value proposition, it will help demonstrate your expertise as a true finance professional. Now, like many of the other commercial lending products in the market, commercial SMSF loan products are not broadly available by lenders. And this is what places Trobe Financial apart. We make all of our commercial products readily available to brokers without additional accreditation requirements, and we can step you through the process, educating you along the way if it's not something you're familiar with or you simply require extra assistance. As one of the few true specialist lenders, we're a suitable alternative to the major banks for delivering commercial lending solutions, which I'm sure you're well aware are the sorts of transactions that can get caught in a major bank's credit department for weeks, whereas we simply assess them within the same time frame as all of our other loan products, fast. So if you're seeking a much quicker and more simplified process without foregoing the legal essentials required for this product, then Trobe Financial is a good choice. To learn more about this product or any of Trobe Financial's broader product range, please contact your local client partnership manager direct or call our broker hotline on 13 80 10. We'd love to hear from you. Well, that concludes today's edition of LTF Product Showcase. We thank you for investing your time. We hope you found it to be of value. And until next time, best of luck with your business.